All right, good morning, you guys. Today is day 2 of our Reptiles Kit. We are going to work on I is for iguana because iguanas are reptiles. Did you know that, Miss Rachel?
I did know that. Yes.
You did?
Yes.
All right, so this is kind of a picture of an iguana. I actually had one growing up.
You did?
I did.
No, you didn't.
I did.
Seriously?
Yes. So they get as big as the cages that you put them in.
Oh.
But like in the wild, they can grow, I think it's like from 7 to 10 foot. The Komodo dragon is the largest, I believe. Iguana or lizard.
Yeah.
Is the Komodo dragon that's 10 foot. But lizards, iguanas in particular, can get to 7 to 8 foot as an adult.
Holy
and half
cow.
of their body, and then the other half is the tail. So it makes the whole length. Half of it's the tail.
No kidding.
No kidding.
Really? Wow. That's so cool.
All right. They are cold-blooded, which makes them a reptile. They lay eggs, makes them a reptile. All right, we are gonna do I for iguana. So if you take a look, our capital and our lowercase, this is one of those letters that looks completely different, okay? So we have our capital and we have our lowercase. Our capital is a straight line with 2 little caps on the end, and our lowercase has just the line with this famous dot right here. One thing I wanted to show before we get started, sometimes you will see the capital I literally just like that. No top and no bottom, okay? So that is just another way that you're gonna see an I, but for our purposes, we're gonna put the cross on it, okay? All right, first thing you gotta do is stretch those fingers out, get them all ready. Oh, I'm stretching all kinds of things this morning.
It's a total body workout today.
All right. So, like I said, capital, straight line down, and we're going to put a cap on the top and the bottom. Okay? Straight line down, cap, top and bottom. And then for our lowercase, we're just a straight line down, not as tall, and then we're just going to go boop and put a dot. Okay? So, straight line down, and then put a little dot at the top, okay? And don't forget, sometimes you will see it just like that, okay? That is also a capital I. However, sometimes it looks like an L.
Yeah.
So that's why we like to put our caps on it, just so you know, but...
So it's crystal clear which one we're talking about. Yep.
All right. So get your pen out. And you're going to start at the top and draw a line straight down. And then you're going to cap it at the top and put a cap on the bottom. All right. Go ahead and try that again. Straight line down. And then cap it at the top. Cap it at the bottom. And then we can try our lowercase. All right. So straight line down. Boom. That's a fun one. Straight line down, boom. All right, if you look at the bottom, we have our I is for iguana. Miss Rachel.
Yes.
Did I miss some eyes? Do you see any other eyes?
I do see an I down here that's not underlined.
Okay, so if you can find it,
Right there.
put a line under it.
Good job.
Yep, there you go. All right, are you ready for our guessing game?
Oh, this is my favorite part of the week. Let's do it.
Yeah. Get to see Miss Chrissy's wonderful artistic abilities.
That's right. That's
All
right.
right, so I always put an animal or a picture at the top so you know what our letter is. So the iguana is already there. All right.
Let's see what we got today.
All right, I'm ready. I can do this.
Okay.
I can do this. I can do this.
That's an ice cream cone.
That's an ice cream cone. That was easy.
All right.
Out in the ocean.
Is that an iceberg?
Oh, no, but that would be good. That's a very, very north. I was just thinking
Oh, like an island?
an island.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I was thinking
Very
island.
good.
But iceberg is good.
Oh, that's
And
so
that
specific, Miss
will
Chrissy.
go, I know, like, how about, I can't even tell if I'm drawing that right.
Oh, I think, is that an ice cube?
Ice cube.
Yep. Perfect. Perfect.
Yep. So draw as many things as you can. Play a guessing game. See if a friend, a family member can guess what you are drawing. Remember to draw everything that starts with the letter I. Okay? I. Do not draw an eye, please. Do not draw an eyeball.
Nope.
Okay? That starts with an E. It's a weird word. Does not start with I, so please don't draw an eye. All right. When you're ready, flip it over. Take a look at some of our reptiles we have on here. If you look over here, we have the words, okay? And of course, we underline the first letter to kind of help you. We have alligator. We have snake. We have turtle. We have chameleon. And we have lizard. There are all kinds of lizards, okay? There's all kinds of turtles. There's all kinds of snakes. Alligator. Alligator and crocodile. They look the same. They are not the same.
Nope.
A lot of the same characteristics, but our alligator, his head is like this. And then a crocodile is more like a point. More of a V-shaped. Yep. So that's the main difference between them. Crocodiles can get much bigger though too.
Yeah.
All right, so for this one, we are gonna look and we're gonna count. Little I spy here. All right, let's start with our alligator. Let's see, we've got 1, 2, and 3. Let's hope I write this correctly.
You did, Miss Chrissy.
Okay,
Nice job.
or write your dots. Okay. All right, snakes. Do you see any snakes? Ooh, that looks like a cobra.
Ooh.
Doesn't it?
It does, yes.
Looks like this guy. This one's a cobra.
Oh, yeah, because he's got the little, like, frill on the neck.
Yeah. Yep. All right, so let's see. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So write your number over here. If you can't write it yet, draw the dots. All right. Turtle.
Got those hard shells.
Also had one of those growing up.
My goodness, you had a little menagerie going on.
I did. All right, let's see. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come on.
Yes.
Yeah, look at me.
I'm on fire today. Look at you.
I am. All right, chameleon. These are so cool. They change colors. Okay, they can match their surroundings, change all kinds of colors. They're really, really, really neat. If you haven't done so, go onto YouTube, look at the chameleon, and they will show you the different ways that they can change colors. They're pretty cool. All right, so, well, he's special. So we only have one.
Just the one chameleon.
Just the one, which is sad because he's really cool.
Yeah.
All right, and lizard. Lizard. This little guy is actually called a gecko, but it is another type of lizard. Okay, so just like our iguana is a lizard, this is a gecko, and it is a lizard. So we have 1 and 2. Wow, 5 for 5 today.
Nice.
I wrote them all right. Another way you guys can do this is I made an X on them. If you want, you could go like this. 1, 2, 3, if you want to do it that way. Or count them and write your numbers on them. Ooh, that was a little sloppy. Okay, to count. Either way.
Yep.
All right, if you look down here, we're gonna have our little maze. We're gonna have our lizard, our gecko friend, get down to his friend down here. All right, so we always start when we look, okay? We can go 2 different ways. So if I start going this way, what's gonna happen?
Dead end. Got
Dead
nothing.
end. So mark it off, put an X, okay? And then try the next opening. Oh.
Gotta make a choice.
Okay, if I go this way, dead end.
Another dead end.
Put an X on it so you know you don't go that way. Oh, wow, I've got choices.
Ooh.
But I can really look.
Yeah, that one you know right away.
I know, I'm not going that way.
Kind of same with that one, too. You look down and...
You know you probably shouldn't go that way.
Yep.
Oh, Miss Chloe's trying to trick us. But we're looking.
That's
so
right.
we know not to go that way either. Almost there. Hey, hey.
Oh, they found each other.
Hi, friend. All right. This practice is just for fine motor skills. We're gonna try to trace our letters, beginning sounds. So this is our alligator, right? So it starts with an A. You see that? All right, over here, we're just gonna try to trace it. Okay. And then turtle. Turtle starts with a T. So straight line down and cross it. All right, same thing. Straight line down and cross it. Oh, Miss Chloe has it labeled as a gecko this time, which is a lizard, which I was telling you up here. So gecko, she's got us working on our G. All right, so circle it around, start at the top, and then just bring it in a little bit. Circle it around, give it a little kickstand there. Okay, so gecko, remember, is type of lizard. And then we have our snake. I like drawing the S's, snaking it around.
Even looks like a snake.
It does, it does. Once you trace them, if you want, you can go, and there should be enough room for you to try to make your own letters, okay? You don't have to do it. Just give you a little bit more space to try to practice. Snake it around.
Snake.
Snake it around. Snake it around. All right, and then when you're done, you can erase the board, put it away for a rainy day. If you want to work more on your letter I, you should have your wiki sticks you can use. You should have Play-Doh if you've gotten our kits before. You can pull any of those out and try to make the letter I using either one of those. All right, you guys, that is all I have for you today. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.